So then guys, welcome to part 3 of the model of the F4 Phantom as part of the model airplane building playlist. And as you can see, the aircraft is finished. It did get a bit messy, and the painting is a bit inaccurate at one or two parts. Oops, sorry, didn't mean to drop the aircraft there. It got a bit messy. It did get a bit inaccurate at one or two parts of the aircraft, but But nevertheless, though, the aircraft is fully finished, and it's ready to be hung up on the roof with the rest of the aircraft. So some key points here, especially when looking at the painting instructions on this aircraft. I didn't have to paint a 123 Satan Extra Dark Sea Grey. So what I had to do was I had to go look into this little paint box over there to find something that was as close as it could possibly be to that painting here. So as you can see, the grey paint is a little off, but I managed to find one that was at least the closest to it, as close to it as I could, which it was hard to do at first, but I was able to find the right type of grey paint for it. In the end, that was the closest to it. Also, this sticker here, this little stripy sticker here, a bit of it got ripped off when I was taking it out of the water there. So, and I had to try and put it back together, but then I lost that little bit there, the same one that's supposed to be here. But, so this plane is a little bit off, but I still think it's a fairly nice aircraft, in my opinion. Also, a few of the stickers were a bit tedious to get on, like those little yellow stripy stickers there, as well as these numbers here, the aircraft registration code. Those stickers there were tedious to get on. However, I managed to get the aircraft finished in the end. Also, one last thing, the little RAF symbol here, somehow that slipped off down below when I was trying to when I put the water on it. I have no idea how it happened in the first place, because I remember putting it there. Let me just, because I remember putting it right there. But then that somehow that little spot there, the little RAF symbol went up there then instead. So that is part 3 of the F4 Phantom. This aircraft is now ready to be hung up on the roof. Join me next time when we will be looking at... Hold on, sorry, let me just get the camera up here. Oh dear. Now, there we go. Join me next time when we'll be looking at the F-16 Fighting Falcon, my favorite fighter jet in all time, and I am stoked to get this aircraft made. So stay tuned for an episode of that where we're going to be building my favorite aircraft, my favorite fighter jets of the 21st century.